Looking for a fully furnished studio in Dubai with flexible payment plans, an unbeatable location and amenities? This opportunity is just too good to miss. Today, I'm introducing you to a project that offers an amazing location and unmatched amenities, all at an unbelievable price. You can own a fully furnished studio apartment for just 450,000 Emirati dirhams only, complete with kitchen appliances. The best part? It comes with two beautiful payment plans, including the option for a post-handover payment plan. This project is located in the prime area of Jumeirah Village Circle, JVC, one of the most sought-after residential communities in Dubai. Within minutes, you have access to schools, parks, hospitals, and all essential services. And from JVC, you're just 10 to 25 minutes drive from Dubai's most iconic destinations like Dubai Marina Downtown, Dubai International Airport. Now let's talk about the amenities. This project is packed with features designed to elevate your lifestyle. Swimming pool, fitness center, kids pool, and play area sauna and steam rooms, sports courts, jogging and cycling tracks, yoga and meditation decks, garden zones, indoor lounge, 24/7 security surveillance, BBQ areas. This is a golden opportunity to own a stylish home in Dubai, with comfort, convenience, and class. For more information, contact the number displayed on the screen. Don't miss the chance to make your dream home a reality in Dubai.